Hello dear friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about a simple trick to find out the cube root by using such a normal calculator. Normal calculator, that means the calculator which does not have a function of cube root directly. So in such a cases, if you want to find out the cube root, the only function required would be the function of square root. So let's just see over here. We all know that the cube root of 343 is 7. Let us just try to calculate this by using a normal calculator. So I open a normal calculator in my laptop. We do have a scientific as well, but since for the CA examination you will be getting the normal calculator which has a function of square root only. So to find out the square root, the steps are as follows. The first step would be to write the number. So if you are using your normal Casio or any other calculator, standard calculator which is allowed in the examination, just press the number that you want. Then press the square root sign 2 times. Then press multiplication sign. Then again square root sign 4 times. Press again multiplication. Then square root sign 8 times. Then again multiplication. And then you have to do last time square root sign 2 times. And at the end you have to press the equal key. So the steps are square root 2 times, multiply square root 4 times, multiply square root 8 times, multiply square root 2 times and equal. Let us just try to apply it over here. So I'll write 3, 4, 3. I'll press square root sign 2 times, 1, 2. Then multiply square root sign 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time 2 times, 1, 2. And at the end equal to sign. So you can see the answer over here is nothing but 6.999, which is approximately equal to 7. So whenever you will be using this trick, answer will always look like this. It would be a marginally small than what is required answer. For an example, let us just try something else. We also know that 11 cube is nothing but 1, 3, 3, 1. So we know the cube root of this number is 11. Let us just try it over here again. So I'll press this 2 times square root 1, 2, multiply, then 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, then multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 2 times 1, 2 and then equal to sign. You can see answer is 10.999. That is same as 11. Right? So just note this step down once or practice this once or twice and you will be remembering this. This is one of the easiest way in which you can find out the cube root in the examination. Okay. So thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. If it is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friend. Okay. Bye bye.